Howdy. After my solo stove size comparison video, one of my viewers pointed out that although I said one of the camp stoves was my favorite, unfortunately at that point in time I could not find it. I have subsequently found it, so I thought I would do an addendum to the video and show you all three sizes of the solo stove camp cooking stoves. And if you recall, the difference between these and the fire pits is that the rings actually have an extender with tabs that are made to hold a cooking pot. So the three sizes are the Lite, the Titan, which was missing from my last video, and the Campfire. Now I have each of these stoves and I have the associated cooking pots. So just to show you, the Lite stove has a 1-quart pot that sits on top and is also able to use a alcohol burner. It fits inside and works well in this if you can't find wood. The Titan comes with a 2-liter pot, which also has a bail that you can hang from their tripod. The Campfire came with 2 pots. It's a 3-quart pot and a roughly 1-quart pot, slightly larger saute type pan. These pans are all really nice. They're all made out of stainless steel. I would recommend these pans even if I didn't have the solo stoves. However, they work very nicely because each one of the stoves respectively nests inside of the pot. So what do I think of the stoves? Well, as I mentioned in my previous video, the Lite is really a backpacking stove. It's one person. You have to feed it constantly with wood. It burns the wood very quickly. So I don't use this very often, but if I'm in the motorcycle or something, I can throw this in and it doesn't take up much space. For 2 people, I find that the Titan works really, really well. The pot is definitely large enough, and you can put a cast iron skillet on it or a Banks fry bake or anything like that and have a nice wide area for the heat to come out. If you're cooking for a family or a larger group, call it 4 to 6 people, then I think the Campfire works really well. 3-quart pot is plenty large enough to use for that size of a group. And also, if you are just looking to have a campfire and don't want to cook, this is actually a pretty decent size for a couple people to take just as a campfire pit. So I hope this helped clear up the missing Titan from the last video. I hope you found it useful. Again, the pots are available separately and they're very nice pots. For 2 people camping, I would recommend the Titan. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And as always, if you like the content, please hit the subscribe button. Share this with anyone that you would think would be interested. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.